and to protect your duty. The Lord be with you and also with you. Let us pray. O God our Father, through the incarnation of your Son, Jesus Christ, you have opened for us the gate of our heavenly home.
Ano bang gagawin ko sa inyo? What date is it today, Doy?
Huh?
What date is it today?
December 12th?
What day? Saturday, yeah.
Yeah, 12.
It's the blessing of...
NU 107.
How's the food?
Sumugot naman kayo, pare.
Oh, pare, tahimik niyo.
Food pala.
Kala mo, hindi mga GJ.
Hot but food. Bawal yung hot eh, no? Bawal yung hot dito eh. Hot mama, pero food. It's branded new. It's branded new eh. Bawal yung hot. Kasi yung magsita niyo yung mga
This is our handsomest GJ. Oh, what kind of an image is this? Kesa, hello. Oh, you sing. Oy. Tama-tama age difference nyo. Holy. Where's Krisky? Tara. Ayoko na ilabas itong camera. Naging quiet ang mga Teo.
Thank you, guys.
Yes. And if you're wondering what this creature is,
Jerry, pinakain ka ba? Okay.
Pare, hindi ka natakot sa pare.
Tuloy. Oh. Kung ano may tape, masisira. Oh, Jerry.
Family. Over here we have Chris Cruz, John Gregory.
no, it's Gregory John pala.
Talaga? Ano ba
Jerry
yun?
Idris,
Geraldo Drisso.
Major Tom,
Kamiso.
Major One.
We're waiting for a wet noodle.
Real disaster. I couldn't come for some. He has
He's never here. I haven't met him yet. What do you call that? The girl in it. That's not quite. Did you see the monster mascot? That's not quite.
From where?
Who's Boo? He didn't come.
From Pasig. Absolutely out of it.
Absolutely out of it. It's that thing again.
Can you
The gorgeous
play it back on the thing and then, like, you know,
Just for a while. Yeah, just for a short while. You should watch it.
And you family, Mark Noodles, you better get yourself
Mark
here.
Noodles.
503.
Get your noodles.
You're on the all new NU 107.
Merry Christmas.
Wait a minute, are we supposed to...
Vicky over here with the camera.
Yes, hi.
You.
Why are you late? As usual. Tadanda. Lipat ba?
Okay. Tabi kayo kay Mike. Tapos na ba?
Tama ba yun? Tignan na.
Tama na. Shoot na. Dito kayo ba?
Progressive Broadcasting.
Diba? Okay. You want that, man? Pwede na. Boss, sorry.
Yung pagkain mo, nagsatravel.
Boy, parang ito.
Bagong man kasi eh.
Stand, but don't push, okay?
Yeah, teka. I got nothing. How does it look? Don't do that. Okay. Or is that too serious or what, Mike?
Oh, not good.
Too serious? Too serious? Okay, come on. Loosen up, guys. Loosen up. This is the hot one. Okay. Jerry, I can't see you.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Loosen up a bit. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah! Okay.
Mike, kayo, kasama kayong tatlo. Kasama na kayong tatlo. Kasama na kayong tatlo.
Yan ilalagay natin dito.
Alright. PowerPoint mo yan. PowerPoint mo dyan.
Dito na lang ako Ay lang mali. Okay okay ba? Okay ba? Masarap ka yung kakasakay pa. Masarap ka. Huli eh. Sabi, just ask one to ng pamilya. Pare, panic na lahat.
I have to do it, right?
Dito with it.
Where's Christina?
Who's that?
Yeah, there.
ng transmitter.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello, this is my city. You see over here, it's kind of blurry, but nonetheless, it is my city.
Did the people
Oh,
call?
yeah. Thanks for the call.
Yeah, but people weren't calling. That's fine.
At least I didn't have any business. I didn't call.
You do that, Kevin.